Do you want to know how you can install Otter.ai on your Android device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Otter.ai on your Android device. Go ahead and open Play Store, which is on your phone. Go to the search bar and then search for Otter. Click on Otter and you can see the install button. Click install, wait for a while, and then Otter.ai will be downloaded and then installed in your phone or your Android device. You can use it to transcribe voice notes, encourage people to initiate meetings, and then you can start working with your team as well. I hope this video about how you can download and install Otter.ai on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.